Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The support at 75.95 now buckles after the market continues to challenge this level. As you can see, the technicals are still, from a MACD point, is still supporting a further downward case. The support now is not seen at 95, but instead it's seen from 75.65. With the RBA rate decision today, it is likely to be unchanged from 1.5%. Could see a bit of a splur in this range of 75.65 to 76.75. Still towards the top side, I still view supply will continue and the market will eventually buckle towards the downside and look towards that objective that we saw back in early March of 74.80.90 and reassess from there. A little unchanged in the Euro outlook, however, still seeing a view that the market will potentially back away from this 107 region and look down towards a 105.70, with the prospects of even seeing a further weakness if the US dollar continues its bullish run towards 103.40.70, which is a near 14-year high. The dollar yen is still weakening and quite concerning, considering that the handle from 110.80 is now being broken and looking now towards the support of 110.40. Now do note beneath there, then I would view further weakness towards 109.1995, which could even bring a view down towards the region if I lower this to around 107. I am a little bit concerned that the dollar yen hasn't rebounded, considering the dollar strength is still relatively firm. So let's see how the next 24 hours plays out. If we get a move under 110.40, then as I say, it is a little bit concerning to the downside. Resistance now seen of 111.30 and higher around 111.75. The outlook for sterling still is pretty much unchanged, even though that we did see weakness overnight. And now with the bulls slipping from that 125 handle, does bring further scope now towards the support of 124.2025. Now a break beneath there would give further view to down the slope towards 122.10.20 and reassess from there. Any advances should find resistance now around 125.20 to 125.60. The gold overnight still holding to its gains and now looks to challenge that 58 to 62.4 region. I still see it as a potential sell or supply zone, with the fact that we should see a further weakness coming into the gold and looking down towards minor support at 12.51, and then beneath there looking towards 46, with the objective still holding at 38. If we get a break above 12.64, then this will completely negate any bearish outcome and see a measured move up towards a potential target, if you see here, around 12.90, before I expect to see supply to return. And wrapping up with silver, well, the market still is challenging this top side as we're looking now towards 18.30. I do expect to see a rejection from this 30.45 region and see the market eventually fall away. I believe the market is nearly close to getting in a bull trap. Now, a bull trap is when the market rises, gets caught long, and then sharply the bull traders get out of their position as the market tumbles. So let's see how today's price action plays out with this resistance around this 30.45 area. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a great day ahead.